India is the second largest populated country in the world. When we talk about billionaires, we usually think of people aged 40 or above. But today, we are going to talk about India's youngest billionaire who is just 34 years old, Nikhil Kamath. From being a 14-year-old school dropout to working at a call center, from Zerodha to Trubicon, I have figured out the 2-3 things that how to do well and get stuck with them, says Nikhil Kamath. Nikhil Kamath is today known as the youngest billionaire and the co-founder of Zerodha, the country's largest trading brokerage. Let's look at the life story of Nikhil Kamath. Mr. Kamath spoke about why he disliked school as a young child. Nobody told you why you should do something, you just had to do it. It was so inhibiting. He lost interest in formal education. His school doesn't wanted him to give boards and meet his parents. That's when he dropped out of school. When he dropped out of school, his only plan was to make money. Mr. Kamath started trading at the age of 17 after dropping out from school. Over time, I just wasn't keen on formal education, said the young businessman who since very young age was keen of chess and spent hours playing it. He was introduced to sports at the age of 5 and even mastered it to become a professional. He competed against the country's well-known players. After dropping out from school, he got a call at a job center at the age of 17 and moved out of home to live with his girlfriend. He worked from 4 pm to 1 am at a call center for rupees 8,000 a month. He soon started to try on tradings in the mornings. Nikhil Kamath started his first business at the age of 14 with a friend. They bought and sold used phones, and however, that business was shut down unceremoniously when his mother found out about it. She thought that he had given up on the school to do a phone business and flushed the phone down the toilet. Zerodha Broking Limited is an Indian financial services company, a member of NSE, BSE and MCX that offers retail and institutional broking, currencies and commodities trading, mutual funds and bonds. In 2010, Nikhil and his brother Nitin co-founded Zerodha, a company which aims to break barrier that traders and investors face in India in terms of cost, support and technology. Zerodha is the amalgamation of zero and rodha, the Sanskrit word for barrier. Trubicon is an asset management company in alternative investment fund space which aims to disrupt the market by adopting a zero upfront fee and only profit sharing model. Nikhil is also the founder of Trubicon, a hedge fund which aims to be an ecosystem of proprietary investment products, portfolio management and advisory, capital market services and tailored programs for strategic investors, says the company's bio. He said that becoming a billionaire doesn't change that I still work 85% of the day and live with the insecurity of what if it's taken from me. From seeing the worst to living the best, Nikhil advises youngsters to have faith in themselves. He says, My only advice is not to sweat about this stuff 5 years later. The things you're worrying about now won't matter. So why not do what you have to do today and not have stupid faith that it'll work out? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.